Meet Hinty Talk. Let's set up your first AI friend, step by step. These friends text you and call you first so you actually start speaking. First, click Login up in the corner and choose Student Login. Type your email and password and log in. This is your dashboard, your messages left, your speaking minutes, and your streak. To build a friend, open AI Agents in the left menu. Then click New Agent in the top corner. Choose a ready-made friend, an interviewer, a waiter, a doctor, or start from scratch. Give your friend a name, a face, and a color. Slide the age. Younger is casual and chatty. Older is calm and formal. Pick the language they teach and your level, from A1 to C2. Add interests and a short description to shape their personality. Turn on scheduled calls, and this friend will actually phone you to practice speaking. Set the hours and how often it can call. Let them message you first, so the chat never dies. Choose how much they remember, from nothing to a whole month of your chats. Choose how they correct you, gentle, balanced, or strict. Pick focus areas and set a goal, like passing a job interview. New words saved to your deck, and repeated mistakes get fixed for you. When you're happy, hit Create, and your friend is ready to talk. To give a friend knowledge, open your library in the menu. You get 2 ways to add a document: upload your own file, or let Magic Prep turn a messy one into a clean one. Not sure how to format it? This quick guide shows you, 1 topic per section. Either way, you get a clean, study-ready document in your library. Now go back to AI Agents and click Edit on any friend. Scroll down to Knowledge Documents and click Add from Library. Pick the document you just made. Hit Save Changes, and your friend now teaches straight from your own material. That's it. Build your friend and start speaking today, free at hinty.eu.